Hello everyone, welcome back to chemistry class. Today's class we are going to start chapter 3rd, mixture and their separation. In this video we will complete back exercise of this chapter. So let us start multiple choice. Let's start exercise portion. First, take the most appropriate answer. Here is given 4 options. You have to choose correct option. First is, which of the following is a pure substance? Soil, air, water and milk. Which is the pure substance is water. Water is the pure substances made up of only one kind of molecules or substances. Which of the following is a mixture? Common salt, seawater, carbon dioxide and sulfur. Which of the following is a mixture? Seawater is a mixture. Which of the following is not a mixture? Cup syrup, muddy water, petrol, iron sulfide. Iron sulfide is not a mixture. Take the D option. Which of the following is a correct statement for a compound? A compound has a definite composition. A compound is an impure substance. A compound has variable composition. A compound does not have fixed melting and boiling point. What is the correct option? A compound has a definite composition. A is the correct option. Tick A. Fifth, what is the settling down of insoluble heavy solid particles in solid liquid mixture at the bottom of the container called? What is called? Decantation, sieving, sedimentation and winnowing. This is correct answer for sedimentation. The settling down of insoluble heavy solid particles in a solid liquid mixture at the bottom of the container called sedimentation. All of you know the process of sedimentation and decantation. Fifth one, by which of the following method can common salt be obtained from a sea water? Which method? Filtration, sublimation, hand picking and evaporation. So this is the evaporation. Okay. So evaporation methods can common salt be obtained from sea water. Next, fill in the blanks. First, a dash substance has only one kind of particle. A pure substances has only one kind of particle. Pure. Pure substances has only one kind of particle. Second, the dash in a mixture may be present in any ratio or proportion. The elements, compound or both. The elements, compound or both in a mixture may be present in any ratio or proportion. A dash consists of two or more elements combined together chemically. So, a compound consists of two or more elements combined together chemically. Next, ammonium chloride can be separated from common salt by the process of sublimation. Ammonium chloride is example of sublimation or sublime component. Sublimation, sublimation, sublimation. The clear liquid above the sediment is called supernatant, supernatant liquid. Supernatant liquid, or I explain you, filtrate also known as. The process of pouring the clear supernatant liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation, or this is called decantation. The process of pouring clear supernatant liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Decantation, decantation. Next, the insoluble solid left behind on the filter during filtration is called residue. Residue. The insoluble solid left behind on the filter during filtration is called residue. Next, match the column. Match the following. First, separating sawdust from water. Which method we can use for separation sawdust from water? Filtration. So here is right in front of filtration. Right number 1. Separating sawdust from water. Filtration. Separation iron filling from sand. Which method use? Magnetic separation. In front of the right number 2. There is a iron fillings. Any iron particles we can separate by the magnetic separation. Separating sodium chloride from ammonium chloride. Which method we use? Sublimation. So in front of B, write number third. Separating common salt from sea water. Which method we use? Evaporation. So in front of F, write 4. Separating chaff from grains. Which method use? Winnowing. So in front of C, write number 5. This is extra distillation. Again, match it. Separating sawdust from water. Filtration. Separating iron filling from sand. Magnetic separation. Separating sodium chloride from ammonium chloride. Sublimation. Separating common salt from seawater. Evaporation. Separating chaff from grain. Winnowing. Next, keywords. Sedimentation, the settling down of insoluble heavy solid particles in a solid liquid mixture at the bottom of a container. Sediment, the solid particles that settle down in a layer at the bottom of a container, that is known as sediment. Decantation, the process of pouring the clear supernatant liquid without disturbing the sediment. This process is known as decantation. Residue, the solid left on a filter. Filtrate, the clear liquid which flow out through a filter.